Guys, welcome to the shop today, and today is a sad day for the B&B Marbleboard shop. We are actually moving locations, so we have bought another house to benefit the next 14 years of school, and we also need to get all of our stuff over to the new place so that we can start working on things again. I know I made big promises earlier in the year that we were going to finish all the lights and get the drywall up and do a whole bunch of projects, but due to other circumstances we have to move. So this is basically a big day that I'm going to realize how many things I never finished. So I don't know if anybody else has that problem, but as I'm loading my trailer up, everything I'm loading on the trailer except for one thing is not finished. So it's kind of a hard day here, and it's also like 85 and it's like 95 up here. So there hasn't really been a lot of things going on in the shop. I am this close, so as soon as I get my tables and everything over to the new place, I'm going to show you guys how to make a template for the marble boards. That way, if you want to make them all by yourself, you can do that. I'm also going to have them for sale on our Facebook page, as we are also cutting costs, so we're getting rid of the website because the website's kind of pricey and it's brought in $0. So I said I would try it for 2 years, and obviously it didn't work out. So we're going to get rid of that. We're just going to go to Facebook. So we have a Facebook page. If you want to follow us or like us on Facebook, that is down in the description below. Like I said, I got to load this barn up. I started for the girls the other day. The girls asked about the barn. When are you going to finish the barn? Well, the good news is the new house has a full-size horse barn. So they actually have a big barn they can play with their horses in. But we are going to get that over there, and the girls actually start school here in 2 weeks. So we should have some extra time that we haven't had in 2 years to do some woodworking things and to finish some projects. That's the biggest thing, is to finish some projects. We've got a heated workshop at the new place, so we'll be able to do stuff in the winter, and a little bit more, I don't know, not more space, but I don't know. It's just real sad day here today. I had big plans of being able to turn this into my workshop to make things, to make money, and it's just a big life change. It's for the best though. After school has been super convenient with living real close to the school. Just the fact that the kids can ride the bus now is going to save a ridiculous amount of time for Shelly eating in her van. But we do have to get back to work. Also, this whole situation has realized that I'm a beginner hoarder. I just cannot get rid of anything. So we're going to try to only load the stuff we need, and then we're going to try to pitch the rest. So it's real hard to decipher what we need and what we don't need, due to the fact of there's stuff we need in the barn here to do things, to finish them, which technically we don't have to finish because we're moving. But I don't know. I was super excited to have this all done and have this be like a studio. Like, I ran a bajillion lights, so the lighting would be good. Even right now, we only have the center lights, and the lighting is amazing. So that's one thing we're definitely going to have to work on at the new place, is to make sure the lighting's good. But hopefully, with it being closer, and I don't know, just don't know. It's kind of a, like I said, it's just a tough day. I just wanted to keep everybody updated, because I said I was going to make 10 videos for this channel this year, and I haven't made a single one. So this is just an update video of why there isn't any videos. Like I said, hopefully this fall we will have time to do some projects and actually get back into woodworking a little bit. So thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video, which I know it wasn't that exciting, but if you guys have the same situation where seems like you just can't get things done, leave us a comment down below about what you're working on, because we'd love to hear what you're working on in your shop. So thanks for watching.